Well, no, they didn't. Okay, maybe I should find some other command to calm them down. How do I do that? This dog is not okay either. It's just interesting. Okay, I have toss hammer. Maybe I can cast lightning somewhere near and they will calm down. Or they will be even more psychotic. Okay, when I said Thor's hammer, they seem to calm down. Okay, so it works. Yeah, it works definitely. Okay, need to remember that. Okay, so guys, just stay calm. I said stay calm. Okay, what are you doing? Where are you going? Why are you burning so like thousands of calories? You're not gonna get that many food. Stay in the trees. It's night. Keep calm. Relax. You're gonna sleep soon. No? So some of them seem to be listening. And some of them keep being anxious. Yeah, mostly they're on the trees, I guess. Fine.